Future YouTube moguls, welcome to your YouTube Monetization Mastery Course. I'm Temple Pius, your coach, and in this crucial first lesson, we are diving straight into the biggest shift happening on YouTube right now. The 2025 Monetization Policy Updates as of 15 July 2025. Why does this matter now? If you are an aspiring creator or you are already monetized, please pay close attention. As of July 15, 2025, YouTube is rolling out clearer, stricter guidelines around what content qualifies for monetization. This is not just a minor tweak. It is a clear signal from YouTube about the kind of content they want to see and, crucially, what they don't. My goal today is simple: to demystify these changes, show you exactly what YouTube is looking for, and help you ensure your channel is not just growing, but safely monetizable, whether you show your face or not. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter. YouTube is officially rebranding and strengthening its repetitious content policy to inauthentic content. This might sound like a minor name change, but it signifies a much bigger crackdown. Why? Because the rise of automated tools, including certain AI technologies, has led to a flood of low-effort, mass-produced content. YouTube's message is loud and clear. They want to reward originality and authenticity. They want creators who add significant commentary, analysis, or creative storytelling. So what exactly falls under this inauthentic umbrella? This is crucial for everyone, but especially if you are considering a faceless channel. Here are the red flags. 1. Generic AI-generated narrations over stock footages or images. If your content is simply an AI voice reading text over generic stock footage with no unique insight, research, or creative transformation from you, it's highly likely to be flagged. YouTube wants a human element, or at least a highly transformative human touch, even if a tool is used. Next is simple compilation without transformation. Just taking popular clips and stitching them together without adding your unique perspective, commentary, or significant creative editing. That is typically seen as repetitious. You are not adding value, you are just repackaging. The next one is automated content or mass production. Channels that churn out huge volumes of near identical videos, where the only thing that changes is a few words or images. They are the prime target. This is not about human creativity. is about quantity over quality. The next one is repetitive formats with minimal variations. What does this mean? Even if it's original to you, if your content follow the exact same formula, script, and visual style without any creative evolution, it might still be seen as repetitious if there is no unique insight being added with each iteration. The next one is music compilations without originality. Unless you are the original music creator, or you are adding significant visual or conceptual value to a compilation, it might be flagged. Now, your safe zone. What does the YouTube want? Let's flip the coin. How do you ensure your content is authentic and transformative and eligible for monetization? The first thing is human commentary, analysis, and insight. And this is for all creators, whether you appear before camera or you are running a faceless channel. This is the golden rule. Whether you are on camera or not, your unique thoughts, opinions, research, and analysis are paramount. Your personal take adds value that generic content can't. For storytelling channels, original storytelling and creative editing, that is what YouTube wants. Now they want a well-produced faceless educational video showing custom animation, compelling human voiceover, and then deep research. If you are posting a reaction video, it should have genuine and insightful commentary, not just silently watching, or show the creator's engaging reaction. And you must have genuine and insightful commentary. You will also have some engaging reaction and favor analysis. If you are running a storytelling channel, it must be a compilation that tells a story or offers a unique perspective, maybe like historical compilation with detailed narration and unique editing choices, not just some random clips that you put together. Now, if you are doing how-to video, how-to tutorial video, how to do this, how to do that tutorial video, either face or faceless, you must clearly demonstrate expertise. So your ability to craft a narrative, to use editing to enhance a message, to infuse personality, that's what YouTube called transformative. So this applies whether your face is on screen or not. Now, what of AI tools? Let's look at some ethical and transformative use of AI for faceless creators. YouTube is not banning, they are not banning AI tools. They are only banning lazy AI users. If you use AI for script ideas, background music, or even voice-over generations, you must ensure that there is significant human input. Your unique research, your refined script, your creative direction, and a voiceover that delivers genuine insights. That's how AI becomes a tool in your authentic content creation process. not the entire process itself. Remember, disclosure of AI content is also becoming increasingly important. Always be transparent. Now, another thing they need is original visuals. Or if you don't have original visual, use significantly transform reuse visuals. For instance, if you're using stock footages, you can transform them with graphics, unique cuts, creative overlays to tell a specific story. So if you're using footages, generic images, just ask yourself, am I simply showing it, or am I transforming it into something new through unique editing, graphics, and voiceover that adds a new dimension? Ask yourself this question. If your answer is yes, then you are safe. Look at the July 22nd, 2025 update on live streams and age requirements. A quick but important note for those considering live streaming. So as of July 22nd, this 2025, YouTube have updated its policy regarding live streams. If an individual appears alone in a live stream, they must be at least 16 years old. Younger teens can only appear if an adult who's run the live broadcast. This is part of the YouTube ongoing commitment towards safety, especially for minors. So plan your live content accordingly. Now, what are the consequences if you don't do all of this? The first consequence is, we all know, the stakes are very high. So channels that are found violating these policies risks. Number one is demonetization. If you have been monetized already, your existing ad revenue can be cut off. Next one can be your YPP rejection. So maybe you are yet to be monetized and you have met all the requirements and you are applying. Your application will be denied. And what's come to us? Potential channel termination. So for severe and repeated violation, you have been doing it, they have been maybe giving you strike 1, strike 2, YouTube will just terminate your channel and you have to start all over again. So in all of this, what is our biggest takeaway? What should we do? The biggest takeaway from this update is that YouTube is doubling down on rewarding true creators. Creators that spend time researching, scripting, editing, and injecting their unique perspective. Whether you are on camera or building a faceless brand like my Temple Timeless Styles, your focus must always be on providing unique, valuable, and authentic content. So that's why I put up this course. This course is designed to guide you through exactly that. How to create. Now, to make sure you've got all the key points locked in, I have prepared a crucial resource for you. So head over to my WhatsApp. The link will be in the video description. The link to my WhatsApp is also in my channel description. So from anywhere, just click the link, it will bring you directly to my DM on WhatsApp. So there you'll find the 2025 YouTube monetization policy checklist and pair of red flags for your faceless channels. You can download them, review them, and then use them as your guide as you are creating your content. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, Temple Digital World, and perhaps drop your comment. What surprised you most about these new YouTube policies, and how might it impact your content ideas? I want to hear your thoughts, and I will be in the comment section to answer your questions and clarify any lingering doubts. So in our next lesson, we will look into the algorithms, YouTube algorithms, how you can get your videos seen. We will explore how YouTube system actually work to push your authentic content to the right audience. So don't miss it. I'm excited for your journey. See you in the next lesson, and I look forward to connecting with you in WhatsApp. Keep creating authentically.